So TRIDIVA is a flora incense sticks from the House of Liberty. This is what it looks like. It has branding in English. On one side it says scent of God, scent of gods. On the other side we have the branding in Hindi. It says Liberty TRIDIVA Flora Agarbatti Devtaon ka Rahasya. And then we have, it says scent designer is Ravi Ben. And so this is what the packaging is like. We have Liberty written, we have TRIDIVA written in many Indian languages on one side, and we have the address and stuff on the other side. It says 36 grams of incense for 70 rupees. So this is what we have. It has Liberty TRIDIVA written on both the ends like that. So that's the overall pack like. So let's check out this incense today. Namaste all you fragrant people, and welcome to Om Incense Show DJ, a show that helps you increase your incense quotient. So if you are an incense enthusiast, consider subscribing. So what we get inside the main pack is this silver colored branded pouch, which is, it says Liberty all over, and we have around around 25 incenses in this. That's the kind of incense in terms of count. That's what we have here. Now this is, it says Flora incense sticks, so I was hoping it to be usually handmade, because hand rolled incenses, but this is not. This is a machine made incense, and it's a usual 9-inch incense stick, and it has a beige bamboo core to it. This is what it is like. It's like chic, clean, and I'm sure this is a dipped incense. This is machine made, so I'm sure this is dipped incense. There's some masala on top, some brown colored masala like the incense. So the incense is deep brown. The masala that we have is lighter compared to the incense color. So that's what we get in this. And so the fragrance that you get in top note is that typical meetha pan masala, that masala supari kind of a fragrance that you have. So it's a nice sweet fragrance with a hint of floral to it, and there's a very typical fragrance of chameli ka tel to it. So that jasmine oil, the typical jasmine oil, I mean the low quality one that you don't like. That's the kind of fragrance that you get. But the top note is that meetha masala, the meetha, the betel nut fragrance that you have, the meetha pan masala fragrance. And then it has hints of floral to it, and somewhere in the base is that chameli ka tel smell. That's what we get in the top note. And going by its length, this is going to be there for around 45 minutes or so, kind of a thing. So if you have some kind of puja which is going to be that long, you might just want this, or light this up anywhere else that you like. So this is what we have. When we light up the incense, so the floral is there, but when you light up the incense, instantly the fragrance that you get more prominently is that chameli ka tel incense fragrance. So that jasmine oil fragrance that you get. And somehow, I don't know, this jasmine oil thing has become quite derogatory now. But once upon a time, we Indians used to have the best jasmine oil, and the way we made it was quite different from how it is currently made. So that was one of the most prized possession on the Silk route, on that trade route, and it was really something that the world wanted to have. Somehow, the current situation is not so like that for chameli ka tel. So whenever I say chameli ka tel, I actually have that derogatory sense of thing in me. That vibe is there. So anyway, so this is what you will get. That pan masala kind of sweetness that was there is not there. What you get is a chameli ka tel fragrance, which is like more prominent, and blended with that floral fragrance that you have. So the floral was more like a sweetish floral note, but not like it's like not typical floral as such, but you do get a hint of floral. You will be reminded of a floral note which is blended with this chameli ka tel. So that's the reason I'm saying that chameli ka tel note, that jasmine oil note blended with the floral. So if you like that kind of fragrances, I mean that kind of note of a fragrance blend, you'd like it. we talk of intensity, the intensity is like around 4ish. So it's like not something that is really going to smother you. It's not going to attack your senses, but it is going to make its presence felt. It has a short, average, strong body. So it's like not a robust one, neither it's very frail. It's like normal, average body, which is strong. So that's the kind of intensity this has. If we talk of diffusion, the diffusion was in one room of mine, so it wasn't to a very large area. So I'd say the diffusion capacity is not really great if you're looking for, if you have an incense which is like lit up in the center of a courtyard, it's not going to diffuse to a large area. So only it has a very small incense fragrance bubble, if I may say that. So that's the kind of diffusion it has. If we talk of retention, the retention was for around what? The retention was average, it was around 3 to 4 kind of, retention. So it was like the active retention was for an hour or so. The passive was for around 3 to 4. So, around 3 hours after the incense has been through its journey, you would get vibes of this incense in some corner of your house, a little bit of there, a little bit of there. So it was like that. That's the kind of diffusion it has. That's the kind of retention it has. So I'd say an average retention. So that's the kind of incense this is. To me, I don't know, when it said Flora incense, I had a very nice, heavy Flora masala kind of, I got that kind of sense. But this is, I know, to me, this is just an average incense. I mean, not even average. I would not like to buy it again. But if you are the scent maker, please don't be mad at me. That's how I am. And so I would like to give it a star rating of 2. So that's Liberty TRIDIVA with a star rating of 2. Having said that, if you really want to try this incense, if you like that chameli ka tail fragrance with a floral note to it, and if you would want to try this incense, just head to scentingsecrets.com and apply the code DJ7. You'll get the discount there, additional 7% discount there. Also, at the moment, they have quite a lot of discount going on Shroff incenses. So you might just want to go and check that out as well. And when you're there, you'll be getting so many other, home aroma products, scented candles and stuff. So you might just want to go and check out scentingsecrets.com. Sorry for fumbling so many times today. So that's it. That's the episode that we had today. Now the quiz that we had last time was what is the name for synthetic musk? So white musk is the name given to synthetic musk. So what we mean is it's lab made, it's made in the lab, so no animal is hurt while making that thing. And so usually what happens is, of course, it's good to have natural products, but when it comes, there are times when we have to make a choice of getting natural products which will actually harm the environment versus getting something which is synthetic. And I think it makes more sense to go for the synthetic version one. But anyway, I'm not somebody who really likes the musk fragrance and incense. I do like musk fragrance as such, but in certain perfumes only and in certain aftershaves. That is the only thing I like white musk. Especially there was this brand of white musk aftershave. I really like that. So, but I do not like I do not like any kind of musk fragrance in incense. Not that something that I have come till now which I've liked. So musk is not my fragrance. Musk and oud are beyond me, not my cup of tea. So that was about musk. That's the question that we had last time. Why didn't any of you answer? I was waiting for one answer. At least somebody could have answered. But anyway, so that was the quiz that we had last time. Now the quiz that we have today is, which company manufactures Liberty brand of incenses? That's the quiz for today. So I hope you enjoyed this episode and you learned something from it. If you think somebody else can learn something from it, share it with them. If you liked it, give it a like. This is Dolly Jha here, and I thank you so much for watching this episode. Till we meet again next, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.